Okay, I had just got done putting the distributor cap and rotor on my 1994 Dodge Ram 1500 with the 5.2. It is way back here in the back, so I couldn't video it, but I replaced it with a new one and a new rotor. So I know it ain't very good video, but it was kind of hard to do. Like I said, it's way back there. And this thing runs so much better. This is a 327,000 mile truck. And like I said, just a small little update on my thing, but as you can see, I cleaned it up to try to save it. It did look a lot worse than that, but it was kind of running on like maybe 6 cylinders real well, and the other 3 kind of halfway. But I just want to do a little update.